What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Brandman17 coming at y'all with a video today. As you can see, we got the GoPro mount on. I really just turned the camera on and, you know, started recording, man. I'm on my way to get an oil change right now, but man, yesterday I was riding, man. I got pulled over, bro. I got pulled over. I ain't even gonna cap, bro. They said I was going 49 and a 35, bro. And like, honestly, bro, I may have been going about, I know I seen 47 on my dash, but I ain't see 49. But really, where it was at is pretty much like a speed trap, you know. So, but my driving record perfect though. So, hey, they let your boy off with a warning. So, you know, they let me off with a warning. So, hey, no more speeding for your boy. I really didn't even realize I was speeding, cause it was like 7 in the morning. Me and my girl, we was on our way to the gym. And I guess I was speeding, like, so he pulled me over. It really wasn't nothing to it. That was my second time getting pulled over in my Dodge Charger RT. Had the car since like October, so y'all do the math. It's March 2nd. The first time they said it was because I didn't have my front license plate. This time here, they said I was speeding. I did get pulled over in my Toyota Camry too a while back, but that was actually because my registration sticker was out. I still had a freaking 2023 sticker on my car, but it's fixed now. I ain't gotta worry about it now. But I'ma make sure I'm driving better, bro. Not playing, cause I normally don't be speeding. That's what I'm saying. Like, I was really like surprised that I was speeding, cause I really didn't. I thought I was going like maybe like 45. The speed limit was about to turn into 40, so I thought I was chilling. I was coming up on a red light anyways whenever I was like, when he seen me, so it's like, I'm slowing down anyways. I'm obviously not finna blow through that bit. Obviously not finna go on a high speed chase either, but you know. But nah, man, yeah, we on our way to get an oil change, man. Really ain't got like nothing too crazy for y'all. Not cutting up today. Not burning no rubber today, you know, just a casual little POV drive. But man, people in the comments, bro, y'all like, y'all know who y'all are, bro. Y'all know exactly who y'all are, man. Like the last video I dropped, or the last video, the most recent video that I dropped, that's like getting views a little bit. What not to do when buying a Dodge Charger V8, you know. People going crazy on that video in the comments, bro. If y'all ain't seen them comments, go look in them comments, bro. It's just like, bro, come on, man. Like, I know y'all got some better stuff to do with y'all time, bro. Like, y'all coming onto this free platform. Y'all not paying to watch my videos. Like, it's a free, like, and people just want to comment and say like, just like nonsense, bro. It's like, wow, bro, like you really ain't got nothing better to do, bro. That's what I be saying. Like, if you hating, you just need some, like, come on. Y'all know Lil Wayne, Tap Out, Rich Gang, Birdman, Nicki Minaj on there too. Go listen. If you don't know what I'm talking about, bro, go listen to the song Tap Out by Lil Wayne. The first words of the song, bro. If you one of them hating dudes that be in the comments, bro, cause it's like, I don't know, with YouTube, it's like the YouTube haters, bro, it's like, you really can't please them. But that's not what we setting out to do anyways. But it's just like, bro, like, really, like, y'all really, they be tripping, bro. They be tripping, but I ain't even, it is what it is. It is what it is. People can't drive out here, bro. Should be crazy. But nah, yeah, I'm on my way to get my oil change, man. That's really it. Really, hey, y'all just enjoy the rest of this POV right here, man. Y'all enjoy this. Y'all let me know if y'all messing with the GoPro head mount. YouTube haters talking about, they know exactly what you need. So if they really been watching my videos, they would have been knowing that I had a GoPro. I got videos with the GoPro, like, talking about you can't, like, man, I y'all got it, bro. Y'all got it. Y'all comment down below though, like, if y'all are messing with this camera view, like, If y'all do want every video on the GoPro, shit, let me know. Sometimes I don't be having the GoPro with me though, and I, you know, still got to get the video out. But talking about redo videos, like, bro, what the fuck up? Nah. But nah, hey, really, like, the thing that, like, man, them fools, they just goofy, bro. Goofy goobers. Dun, dun, dun. Y'all let me know if y'all messing with it. Y'all see how I got it set up. Like, y'all let me know. I'm trying to save its focus. It really don't look too focused, but we're gonna keep messing with it, bro. Like, that's the thing. Like, it's not like a $1 million production, bro. I record these videos for fun, bro. Like, it's not fucking Mr. Beast over here, bro.